Mangwabe and Makumalo on season 8, they were asking Macele the reason why Musamseleku was admitted at hospital. Macele was explaining to them that Mangwabe was giving some excuses to Musamseleku to divorce Musamseleku. Makumalo was giving some excuses, and Mayeni was not in Muzumbe. That's the reason why Musamseleku was admitted, because of stress. So Mangwabe was being asked on diaries about Musamseleku was admitted. Mangwabe was explaining that Macele's family are the reason why Musamseleku was admitted, because Musamseleku had a meeting with Macele's family. Macele's family, they were asking some of the cows about his wives, because Musamseleku, when he got married to Masaule, the second wife, he paid to Macele's family. Macele is the first wife, but Musamseleku didn't pay for Makumalo, Mangwabe, Mayeni. So Musamseleku, he is supposed to pay, because now it's the fifth wife, Makwela. So Macele's sister was explaining to Musamseleku. Mangwabe was explaining those things on diaries. Imagine, guys, Musamseleku sometimes he is gossiping about Macele's family with Mangwabe, and when he is with Macele, he is gossiping about other wives. The problem is Musamseleku, because Mangwabe is blaming Macele. Maybe Musamseleku, he was with Mangwabe. Maybe he was complaining that Macele's family, they want too much. There is not too much things, because those people, they are in good relationship. Macele's sisters, because we didn't see them insulting each other, they were happy. Musamseleku, sometimes he have got a problem. And now he is with Mangwabe. He start gossiping about Macele's sisters, that they were demanding cows, what, because Mangwabe says Macele's family, he had a meeting with Macele's family. Musamseleku introduced Makwela to Macele's sisters, but Macele's sister was asking Musamseleku when he is going to pay the cows, because they have got cow. Every wife, they supposed to pay the cows to Macele's family, because Musamseleku paid a one cow for Masaule only, but Mayeni, Mangwabe, Makumalo, Makwela, he have to bring four cows to Macele's family. So there is no a bad thing. My Macele's sister was asking, and Mangwabe was saying those things on diaries, but we don't blame Mangwabe. The person we're supposed to blame is Musamseleku. And Mangwabe was giving the reason why Musamseleku was admitted. Musamseleku was admitted because of stress of Mayeni. Mayeni was not staying in Muzumbe. We know that he can't live without Mayeni. But the reason of why of Macele's sisters, I don't think Musamseleku like to gossip. Things he is doing with the Macele's sisters at Macele's house, he is discussing it with Mangwabe. Even Mangwabe was complaining about it on season 6 or season 7. Musamseleku, when he had an issue with Mangwabe, he is discussing with Makumalo or Mayen. I don't understand, because those people, they have got their lives. They live their lives not to discuss. The person who is wrong is Musamseleku. And Macele was very angry now on season 9. Because Macele watched season 8, Mangwabe was explaining on diaries about that. Macele was very angry to Mangwabe, that why Mangwabe, she was saying those words about my family, or we are the reason why Musamseleku was admitted. Because Macele and her sisters, they will never give Musamseleku stress. The person who gave Musamseleku stress is the Mayeni, because at that time Mangwabe didn't say anything, Makumalo didn't say anything. The fight of Musamseleku and Makumalo start after he out of hospital. That's the fight start. But when before Musamseleku, he was admitted, they don't discuss anything, because at that time Musamseleku was introducing that I have the number 5. They've got a dinner. What? After the dinner, Musamseleku go and check for Mangwabe. Mangwabe didn't say anything. And when he checked at Mayeni was not in Muzumbe. He didn't check Makumalo. Now, and with Macele, they were okay with Macele. You meet Macele's sisters and they have got some of conversation. They don't fight. So the person the reason why Musamselek was admitted because of Mayen